How to sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on CJ Dropshipping, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is CJ Dropshipping, it is a comprehensive dropshipping platform based in China, which offers a wide range of services to e-commerce entrepreneurs. And the platform also provides solutions for product sourcing, order fulfillment, warehousing, and shipping, making it one-stop shop for those looking to start or enhance their dropshipping businesses. And one of the key features of CJ Dropshipping is its integration capabilities with major e-commerce platforms such as on Shopify, eBay, and WooCommerce. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the register button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, you can sign in using your Facebook account, Google, Apple ID, Shopify, or even your username or email address in here. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of CJ Dropshipping. And it will show you the overview of it, and on the left side panel, you could also start clicking this Find Products in order to start looking at products that you can start add or sell to your Wed2C account. So from here, all we need to do is simply choose here what kind of product you want to choose or sell. And in choosing a product, you could also start looking or navigating some other categories and filter in here, such as countries, ship from, and different types of filter in here. You'd also choose different kind of categories such as women's clothing, pet supplies, jewelry, men's clothing, bags and shoes, and many more. So as you can see, we have here a variety of selection that we can choose from in order to start looking for products we want to sell. But at this point, I'm not going to choose any kind of categories, but I'm going to select the list of the product below here. So let's say in those options below, I'm going to choose this kind right here. By simply clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on the next tab, where it will show us the details about the product, including the media files of it, the corresponding prices, and also other details about this product. And as you can see below here, we have the option which is Wed2C. So kind of click this button right here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you in this pop-up window that you can start entering here or setting up the price. But make sure that you also log in or sign in your account on Wed2C to start creating an account in here, in which it is a user-friendly platform designed to facilitate the launch of e-commerce businesses with minimal barriers to enter, specifically targeting individuals with no prior experience or investment. And now going back in here, on this pop-up window, just simply enter the price, and you could also see here your expected earnings. While on the left side panel, it will show you the simple step to learn Wed2C. The first thing is to simply set up the price, create a URL, and after that, you'll now be able to market the product in here. And now as you can see, we have now here the price that has been set up, and by simply clicking this next button below, you'll automatically be directed on the next step, which is to start creating a URL. But you could also paste the link to your TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook account in here, and by simply copying this URL and paste it on our next tab in here. This is basically what the buyers will see when they try to click the link. And from here, as you can see, this product offer amounting to $20.36, wherein since it has come from the CJ Dropshipping, the difference between the price of it is that CJ Dropshipping is way more cheaper, since this is the original price in here, which is amounting to $10.28, and we're selling it in $20.36. So basically, the difference of it is our profit or expected earnings once a customer try to click the link and purchase or buy the product. So basically, that's one way on how we can start selling products on CJ Dropshipping to our Wed2C. But the second option in here is to simply click this store option on the left side panel and click this Wed2C option or button. Or alternatively, you could also go to the website of Wed2C.com, then click this login button where you can start scanning this QR code to log in your account, or you could also click this business.wed2c.com, in which by clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on the next tab, and it will show you in here the mobile view of this application or platform. And from here, you can navigate here some other option, including the home, product, store, message, and mine. And under store, you could also click the icon on the top right corner to add a store, which are needed when we try to sell a product from CJ Dropshipping. And by clicking on it, it will show us in here the step-by-step process, including to complete the store profile settings and store preview, and to start adding our product in here and manage our store. And by clicking this continue button, you'll automatically be directed again on this page, where you can now start entering here the name of your store that you prefer, and also the store URL in here. So you can also start customizing in here, where the customer can visit your store via URL in here. But as you can see below, it has a note that you need to wait for a few minutes before you can access the store normally. So before you start clicking disactivate, you also need to be ready to wait for a few minutes in order to be activated your store in here. And by clicking this button activate, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And after that, you should see here the list of your products. And as you can see, there is no list of products in here. So we could also go back to this page in CJ Dropshipping, in which from here you could also alternatively create a store by clicking this create store button on the right side panel. Whereas again, will automatically again be directed on this page. And we could also do the same process in here. But going back in here, aside from that below, it will show you the simple steps to learn and sell on this Wed2C, including to link your account firstly, followed by free access to individual e-commerce store, or directly share your products links, and after that you could also directly to your product listing, use the product marketing, and when a customer there to visit the link, you could also navigate here the order fulfillment, and you will get a profit from it. So again, to do so, we firstly need to find product that we want to sell from our CJ Dropshipping in here. And as you can see, once again, it will show you a variety of options to choose from, but I'm going to choose at this point this kind of product. And again, you will be directed on this page where it will show you the overview about the product details, the pricing plan, and many more. And by clicking this option, Wed2C sell and earn, it will show you again on this pop-up window that you can start setting the price, but it will automatically created or set the price in here, and it will show you your corresponding earnings or profits. And after that, setting the price, it will show you below by clicking the next button the URL that you can choose to send or share on your social media platforms, or use this product marketing, such as by copying the link, or to sell this product with all traffic sources. And if you go back to our Wed2C account in here, under this store, it will show you on this product section all of the details of the product that we just imported from our CJ Dropshipping. So you should also see it or reflect on it. However, it may take a while, so all you need to do is wait for it to load. But before that, you could also navigate here some other options, including this mine, message, product, and home section in here, which is also important in navigating or selling our products on Wed2C in here. And this platform, Wed2C, plays a significant role in empowering aspiring entrepreneurs to launch their e-commerce businesses without any initial investment or prior experience. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C. Thank you.